Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to remove logo in object. Let's begin. I have one footage and I move to this icon, this footage, and let's play. Okay, I will remove this icon. Select footage and edit split layer. Select this layer and delete. 9 seconds and select footage, edit and split. For shortcut you can use Ctrl Shift D. Yeah, select and delete. Select this footage and move 0 second and move to here. Yeah, okay, nice. And click here, right mouse and comp area. Okay, good. And select this footage, Ctrl D for duplicate and zoom. Going to pen tool or press G. Let's use pen tool and masking here. Okay, nice. Let's rename footage original and mask. Yes. Okay, nice. And select this mask and move to here. Let's use feather in the mask. Select mask layer and open here. Open mask. Open mask 1. Click here and mask feather. Change numbers. Okay, nice. And but color is not good. Let's change labels. Select this mask. Click here for hide yellow lines like this. And effect presets. Let's search levels. And this color correction levels effect, let's use mask. Okay, and input blacked. Change number to 5. Okay, done. And let's see final project. Nice. Logo is invisible. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget subscribe channel and like video. Thank you.